Kansas City, Kansas, Mechanical HVAC Contractor Bond. What is Kansas City, Kansas, Mechanical HVAC Contractor Bond? A mechanical HVAC contractor bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, repair, or maintain heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in Kansas City, Kansas. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with local licensing laws and building codes. The bond protects the public and the city from losses caused by contractor misconduct or non-compliance. Why is Kansas City, Kansas, Mechanical HVAC Contractor Bond required? The bond is required to protect homeowners and businesses from financial harm due to poor workmanship, unfinished projects, or code violations. It ensures that contractors operate legally and ethically while following city regulations. Kansas City, Kansas requires this bond as part of the licensing process to promote accountability and public safety. How does Kansas City, Kansas, Mechanical HVAC Contractor Bond work? The bond involves three parties: the contractor principal, the city obligee, and the surety company. If a contractor violates regulations or fails to meet contractual obligations, an affected party can file a claim against the bond. If the claim is valid, the surety pays damages up to the bond amount, and the contractor must repay the surety. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.